Hey, it's Daniel Williams from Investing Simple. Today I'll be showing you how to transfer your account from Webull to M1 Finance, step by step. If you want to follow along, check out the full article on our site down in the description below. Transferring your account from Webull to M1 Finance is actually pretty simple. This is because both platforms support ACATS transfers, or automated customer account transfer services. Before you begin, you ought to be aware that Webull does support some assets that M1 Finance does not. For example, Webull supports options trading and various cryptocurrencies. Before initiating the transfer, you will need to liquidate those positions and transfer the funds to your bank. Additionally, Webull charges $75 for an outgoing ACATS transfer. This fee will be taken from your account balance during the transfer. Let's dive right in. The first step is to locate your Webull account number and account type. In order to initiate the transfer, you will need this information. Locating your Webull account type and number is easy. This information can be found by logging into the app and following the steps on screen. After you have copied down your account number and type from Webull, you are ready for the transfer. If you already have an M1 Finance account, then you can skip this step. If not, then creating a new M1 Finance account is simple. Be sure you are eligible for an account. In order to qualify for an account, you must be over 18 years of age and be a US citizen. Creating an account requires an application that can be completed in the app. The application includes inputting information such as your name, email, phone number, home address, social security number, and level of investing experience. With an M1 Finance account created, you are ready to move to the final step. Actually submitting the transfer is quick and easy and can be done in the M1 Finance app. Navigating to the Home tab in the app and selecting the Move Money option will bring you to the proper location. The steps on screen will take you through the process. Feel free to pause the video to follow along. After you have completed the steps on the screen, your transfer will be submitted and executed. Be sure that the name on the M1 Finance account matches the name on the Webull account for smooth delivery of your assets. Well, that brings us to the end of this video. Be sure to check out our written version for more details.